The F-150 Lobo is a street-built, muscle-style truck that looks nothing like your neighbor's ride. Truck fans have been waiting for something different, and in 2025, Ford finally listened. But what does the Lobo actually bring to the table? And what makes it more than just a good-looking badge? Before we jump into the wild design and power, let's understand what the 2025 Ford F-150 Lobo actually is. Because the Lobo isn't just another trim with black paint and a cool badge. For years, Ford focused on luxury trucks, work trucks, and off-road monsters like the Raptor. But a lot of drivers wanted something different. They wanted a street truck, something that looks aggressive on the road, feels fast, sounds strong, and still works as a daily pickup. That's where the Lobo comes in. It's built from the STX trim, not from Platinum or Raptor. That means Ford started simple, then added performance instead of just comfort toys. Basically, the Lobo is made for people who love driving their truck, not just owning it. But if Ford already has the Raptor for dirt and the Lightning for electric, then why create the Lobo at all? What problem is this truck actually fixing? And why are truck fans suddenly saying, Ford finally listened? The answer is simple. The Lobo is Ford's way of bringing back the street performance truck idea. It's not meant to climb rocks, and it's not an EV experiment. Instead, the Lobo focuses on stance, sound, road grip, and everyday fun. It sits lower in the back, looks wide and bold, and keeps a real 5.0-liter V8 under the hood. Ford didn't design it for trails. They designed it for highways, cities, late-night drives, and people who want their truck to feel alive. And since Ford has finally listened, the first thing they change is how the truck feels at first glance. Because the moment you see the 2025 F-150 Lobo, it doesn't look like a normal pickup anymore. From the front, the truck gets a bold grille with a gloss black mesh design and an integrated LED light bar that stretches across the face. Even in daylight, that light makes the truck look awake. The hood adds to it with black vents that pull heat out of the engine bay, while also making the truck look aggressive without trying too hard. But looks alone don't change how a truck feels to drive. So why does the Lobo suddenly look lower, wider, and more muscular than a regular F-150 even when it's parked? That comes from the stance. Ford gave the Lobo a reverse level setup, dropping the rear about 2 inches. Most trucks sit higher in the back for hauling, but Lobo flips that idea. The lower rear makes the body look stretched, planted, and ready to move fast. The truck feels closer to the road, more stable at speed, and visually it stops looking like a work tool and starts looking like a performance machine. And if you ask what makes it so special, that's where the details really come in. The Lobo rides on exclusive 22-inch gloss black wheels made just for this package. They fill the arches and match the dark theme perfectly. Along the sides, Ford removes bulky steps and adds a full lower valance that runs clean from front to back, making the truck look smooth and low instead of tall and clumsy. Even the small Lobo badge isn't loud, it's quiet confidence. Everything about the design tells one story, that it's built for the street. But of course, big wheels alone don't guarantee confidence. So what actually makes the Lobo feel stable, controlled, and solid instead of heavy and awkward like some big trucks do? It's the way everything works together. Those wide 22s increase the contact patch with the road, which means more rubber touching the pavement at all times. That improves corner grip, braking confidence, and straight line stability. When you change lanes, the truck doesn't wobble, and even accelerating doesn't feel loose. Also, the lower stance we talked about earlier helps here. With the rear dropped, the Lobo keeps its weight balanced, so it feels closer to the road instead of towering over it. And once you feel that presence on the road, the next question becomes simple. What's actually moving this thing? Because looks can get attention, but power and control are what make a truck feel alive. The 2025 F-150 Lobo is built with hardware that backs it up. Every Lobo comes 4-wheel drive from the factory, and not the cheap kind. On the other hand, Ford installs the same 2-speed transfer case you usually see on higher trims like Lariat and Platinum. That means the Lobo gets 4A, or automatic all-wheel drive, which can shift power between the front and rear without you touching a button. However, there's one thing that you must be worrying about. If the Lobo looks like a street truck, does it still work like a real F-150 when the road gets bad, the weather turns ugly, or you actually need traction? But before I answer that, take a second to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the smart details most drivers never notice. All right, back to the Lobo, because that question is exactly why Ford added 4A all-wheel drive to this street-style truck. In rain, gravel, light snow, or sudden corners, the truck constantly watches wheel slip and moves power to the tires that need it. The Lobo just stays planted and confident. Whether you're cruising highways or dealing with messy city roads, it keeps the fun feeling without sacrificing safety or control. Now, we all know the power and tech are nice until the price gets crazy. And if you're worrying about whether Lobo is just another expensive badge, or did Ford actually make it worth buying, don't worry, because this is where Lobo surprises people. The package costs about $4,695 on top of the STX 4WD, and for that you get exclusive styling, factory 22-inch wheels, street tuning, and the upgraded drivetrain system. Instead of forcing buyers into luxury trims, Ford built a performance-style truck that regular drivers can still reach. So the Lobo earns that speciality with real hardware, real traction, and real value every time you press the pedal. And once the Lobo proves itself on the road, the next place you feel that value is inside the cabin. Because power is fun, but a truck lives or dies by what it's like to use every day. As we all know, the 2025 F-150 Lobo is based on the STX trim, so it keeps things simple, smart, and focused on the driver. But Ford didn't leave it boring, because inside you'll notice the little details first. They added lime green and neon yellow stitching across the seats and dash, giving the cabin a sporty edge without screaming for attention. The dash has a storage cubby on top, perfect for tossing a phone, sunglasses, or wallet. The center console is wide and deep, built for real life, not just looks. Then up front, you get a full digital 12-inch gauge cluster that changes with drive modes, plus a big center screen that keeps navigation, music, and settings easy to reach. Everything is placed so your hands don't have to hunt and your eyes don't leave the road for long. Also, Lobo actually works for passengers, families, and long trips too. In the back, there's plenty of legroom, so adults don't feel folded in half. Rear passengers get air vents, cup holders, and even a 400-watt power outlet for charging laptops, cameras, or gaming gear. It's built for road trips, work days, and weekend drives without feeling cramped or cheap. Then the air conditioning is simple and clean with single-zone control, and the selectable drive modes let you switch the truck's personality depending on how you're driving. So while the Lobo looks aggressive outside, inside it feels calm, useful, and ready for real life. By now, the Lobo already looks different, drives different, and feels different. But none of that matters if the heart isn't right. And Ford did something special here. It makes about 400 horsepower, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic. It's quick off the line, calm in traffic, and strong when you need to pass. So this isn't just a style pickup. It's a truck that still believes in muscle. Still, if it's still an F-150 underneath, why does the Lobo name actually matter? Because Lobo is all about purpose. Ford didn't slap a badge on a normal truck and call it special. They changed the stance, tuned the look, focused the driving feel, and kept the V8 alive for people who still care how a truck feels, not just what it saves. The Lobo is for drivers who want street presence without losing real truck DNA. It's aggressive without being fake, comfortable without being boring, and powerful without being reckless. So when you see the Lobo badge, it's not just decoration. It's Ford saying, we remember why people fell in love with trucks in the first place. And that's what makes the 2025 F-150 Lobo more than new. It makes it meaningful. So now it's your turn. Would you actually daily drive the Lobo or keep it as a weekend street machine? And do you think Ford finally got it right or played it safe? Leave your take below. I'm curious. And if you care about keeping your Ford running strong, there's one mistake almost everyone makes with their transmission. And once you see it, you'll never service it the same way again.